Hi, I'm Jim Christofferson. I'm here today to show you how to put one of our pumpkin carving tattoos onto a pumpkin. The first thing you want to do with any of our tattoos is simply peel off this plastic protective layer and throw that plastic away. Next thing you want to do is simply get a towel, put a towel on a baking sheet so you don't have water dripping everywhere, and pour water onto this towel to soak it. You absolutely want to soak this towel, not just get it wet, but get it soaking wet. And at the end of it, if you have a little bit of a reservoir, that's a good thing. And watch as this water soaks into the towel, we're going to have a little bit of a reservoir, a little bit of extra water floating on top. That's a good thing. You don't want it 3 inches deep, but having a little bit of extra water is a good thing. Then, pattern side up, put it in the water and push it down. It's going to want to curl. Hold it with your fingers until it's all over and let it soak in. Now, if you didn't put enough water on the towel, you may find you need to poke this down a little bit with a little knife or a poker or something like that. That's okay to do, just don't touch the ink. Don't touch the black areas. Once you've put that down, just let it soak. You wait about 30 seconds is all we're doing. Here we go, the tattoo's ready. Pull this off of the water. Kind of shake it off. Find the spot on the pumpkin where we want to place it. I'm using a foam, but a real pumpkin works exactly the same. There's no difference. Place it there very carefully, because once you put it there, you don't want to move it. Put your thumb in the middle of the pumpkin. If the tattoo is a clock, I put my thumb right in the middle of it, and I simply start pushing down in a circle all the way around this pattern. And just push from the inside of the pattern all the way to the edges of the pattern. I'm not real delicate here. I'm actually pushing down with a little bit of pressure. That's good. You want to be pushing this tattoo onto the pumpkin. If you don't push it hard enough, maybe part of your tattoo won't transfer perfectly, but if you push hard enough and consistently enough all the way around and you got your tattoo wet enough, you'll have no problems at all. And then once you go to peel back the pattern, just do it gently from one side to the other and gently lift it. And it should come off just as smooth as silk. Now, get your finger wet a little bit, and wherever there's the ridges in the pumpkin, push in so that it holds its shape. Now, you may find your tattoo cracks a little bit, it's get a couple of lines, that's fine. You're just gonna carve that away anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now let this dry, and then wherever it's a black space, wherever you see the ink, just cut that out and you'll be done. That's all it takes to put one of our carving tattoos onto a pumpkin. Peel, soak, apply, carve, wow.